Hey curlies, it's me, Tenia Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Q-REDEW Hair Steamer. This is a really neat product, but I did have just some struggles in the beginning.
It's not working! Seriously? Wait. It's hot.
Bruh. Bruh.
Here we go. There it is. Oh, put this on my face. Oh, yeah. That was close, guys. So you can see the steam. I don't have any product in my hair. So I wanted to try this. For the no heat challenge. This is really good for stretching your hair without blow dry. Yes, this is the bomb. My hair feels so soft. So I'm going to add a little leave-in conditioner and we'll pick right back up.
So with all of my styles, I like to section my hair in 4 parts. Within the 4 parts, I split it in 2 because it's just easier for me to work through my hair and detangle it. This steamer is awesome because I love to stretch my hair, but I don't always like to use a lot of heat. So I found that I was able to stretch my hair and detangle my hair in one setting, and that's always helpful. I love products that I can use in multiple ways. So I also would say this thing gets really hot, and it's like an iron. You know, when you're ironing your clothes, you put the water in and you have to do what? You have to let the iron heat up. So that was the problem. That was the only problem that I noticed in the beginning. I was trying to get it to work, but it needs to warm up. So you have to warm this up. Don't throw it back in the box when you get it because it's not coming on. You have to let it warm up, and I think I had to let it warm up for about 5 to 7 minutes to get a full good round of misting action. And you'll see there it's gliding right through. I have a little bit of leave-in conditioner. That's the only product that I had for all my hair at this point. And look at that, it's beautiful. Stretched it out and very soft and very manageable. And this took me about 25 minutes to detangle my entire head. And you'll just see here, I'm just putting it in a flat twist. No, I'm sorry, putting it in a 2-strand twist and pinning it up and moving on to the next section. See here, this is my stretched hair. Nice, big, fluffy, and stretched, very soft, and it was so easy to style. So I recommend the Q-REDEW Hair Steamer, highly recommended for a number of different reasons. You can do some detangling, deep conditioning, and stretching your hair without having to put a ton of heat. So yes to the no heat challenge. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you back soon with another hair tutorial or review. Bye.